Get up, old man.
I am up.
Get up!
Oh. Oh. There, I'm up. Well, thank the good Lord you're back. Nothing worse for an old man than sleeping in the warm afternoon sun.
You want a long sleep, Uncle? That can be arranged. It'll cost me less than food.
You always was a hard and nasty man, John Marston.
You always was a useless, conniving thief. And where's them cattle? Did you take them to pasture?
It's coming around to that.
When exactly?
It's easy to pick on the elderly. It's easy, but it ain't dignified.
Come on, old man. We'll do this together. Come on! Let's move them out! Come on! Let's keep them moving now! Whoa! Whoa! Christ, John! They're stampeding! Yeah! You're a dead man! It's spilling down the damn pipe! Not bad, Marston! I ain't got no time for nonsense! Why don't you go get some bread? Even this up a bit!
Drop that son of a bitch!
Just drop the gun! It ain't worth it! Come on! You folks... okay?
I think we're safe. Thank you. I thought we were done for.
Just helping out! Now you take care! Let's go!
Thank the Lord!
We are all right today.
When will you listen to me, boy? You could have got yourself killed.
Shut it, old man! Come on! Let's get this herd moving again!
Look out! They're splitting off!
Slow up! You look after the herd. I'll ride back.
No thanks. You got your pound of flesh from me today.
tensing up.
I'm not.
You are. Your back's tense and it's making the rifle jump. You're holding it wrong. Here, let me show you.
I don't need you to show me, Paul.
I guess not.
You'll show me and you'll just run off again or something. It's better I teach myself.
I ain't going nowhere.
Whatever you say, Paul.
Don't be like that.
Sorry.
Wolves been after the herd. Gotta get out there and scare them off. You wanna come with me? Safer with two.
Okay.
Come on! The dog will soon sniff them out. Come on!
I can shoot, and you know that. Why you gotta treat me like a kid?
It's what fathers do! I'm just trying to look out for you. Look, son! He sniffed him out! Whoa there!
What are you doing?
Get him, Jack! Watch yourself now, son! They might turn on us! Stay alert now!
Whoa!
Let's go! Go get him, son! That's it, Jack! Remember what I told you! Whoa! I see him! Let's go! Come on!
Damn, bro!
Slow down! Come on, easy up now!
Don't give up now. Let's keep moving. This one's mine.
Steady, Jack! Slow it up now.
There you go. Come on. We can't stop now. Yeah. Come on. That's it, bro.
What is wrong with you?
They want you.
That makes you mine.
Yes, sir, I hear you.
Come on!
Paul, can I ask you something?
Of course!
Were you a murderer?
What?
That place where they held us. Ma shouted out a guard one time. He yelled that you were a murderer.
Maybe. But I live my life believing there's a difference between killing and murdering.
Not for the person who's dead.
No! And I guess I've been both. That's how it goes. We all do what we have to survive. Sometimes it ain't pretty. And in the end, we pay the price for what we did. Easy. You're turned into a decent hunter, son. But try to stay out of trouble.